Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. Now, children, we have learnt about latitude. Okay, how it has been divided. That is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. All I have explained you, children. This is northern and southern hemisphere. 90 degree here and 90 degree. It has been divided into half. That is equator. Okay, now we will be learning about longitude. Now, block 22, parallels and meridians. S2, lines of longitude. Now we must know what is that lines of latitude, why they have drawn the lines. Identify the important lines of longitude by constructing a model of the earth. This is what we are constructing, the model of the earth, and why it is important, that line is important, children. So here I have made this to explain you in simple way. I hope you understand. Now, children, this is Eastern Hemisphere and Western. Here, this is Eastern Hemisphere and this is Western Hemisphere. We have learnt about North and South. Now, see the degrees. These are the lines. This is longitude here. Okay. Now, here, how many lines? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So, here in between, I made it little dark here so that you can identify what is equator here. This one. Okay. This is light dark green I colored, and here light green. That means it has been divided into half here. Now it starts from 0 degree. Okay, 0 degree. Now this is east side. 90 degrees, 60 degree east, 30 degrees, and here in middle, that is 0 degree. Here again from this side, western side, again 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degrees. Okay. So here again it has been divided, this line has been divided into 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. Here again in middle, this is prime meridian. This is known as prime meridian, 0 degree. This comes under 0 degree. Here you can see this cross like this, one north and south, east and west, right? Now here also again I will explain you here, from equator 15 degree north, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 75 degree. Okay, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 6 actually. This also it includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this also 6. Equator, you must add this equator. From equator again, this is northern side and this is southern side. Okay, these are the poles. Now here 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 75 degree. Previously I showed you. Now here we have learned that is north, south, and then again east and west. Like how we'll cut the apple into 4 pieces like that way, so that we can understand which place it is located, where the sunlight is shining on which pole, okay, which side. Okay, now that I will explain you. Right, now you understood this, children? See this diagram, I made it this chart, small chart, and from reader also I will explain you. Okay, children, I'll show you 1 minute. So children, I hope you have understood my chart, this one. Like that only we have to do from workbook also we have to do. I'll show you everything. I'll explain you in details here. This is north, south, east and west hemisphere. Okay? So, let me explain. Now children, I'll explain you the prime meridian. These are the lines of longitude. Now mark here from 0 to 0 and label primary. Here 30 to 60, here it is 30, 60 and 90. Here it is 30, 60 and 90 degree west. Okay, and from the east again, how much? 30 again here. From 0 we have to count. 30, 60 and 90. Alright. Now these are eastern and western hemisphere. Now 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Okay. Now here this comes under data line, international data line also. Okay. Now the lines of longitudes are imaginary lines. These lines help us to know the east and west direction of a place. East and west side, both this side and that side will come to know. Okay, you know, north, south, east and west, both the directions which we have learned. All places located on the same longitude will receive light at the same time. From here, the light received at a time. All this. Okay. When the sun falls directly on 90 degree west longitude, the western hemisphere will experience daytime. Now how we'll find out the daytime and nighttime here? See the 90 degree west. Where is that west? Here, 90 degree west. So here, when the 90 degree west, you can experience daytime. And in the east hemisphere, you will experience night. Day and night. Okay. Hemisphere will experience night. Now, prime meridian and international data line are important line of longitude. The 180 degree east and west longitude is known as the international data line, while prime meridian is at 0 countries lying on the east side are 1 day ahead of the country lying on the western side of the international date line. While crossing the international date line from the east to west, travelers lose a day, and those crossing from west to east gain a day. Now here children, see, 1 minute. See children, from here to here, from east to west, 1 day difference will become, okay, because of reflection. Sunlight reflects. So here one side, if you rotate, one side will become dark and other side will become day. So 1 day difference will be having for the traveling. Now especially abroad children, I think so you must be knowing many parents or father or mother, they used to go for the work, for example Saudi or America or somewhere out of countries. From there you will experience 1 day difference. Okay, right? So here will become one. If eastern side is morning, then western will be night. If this is night, there will be morning here. Now especially children, this you should know. Nowadays children, you will also become an big, and you will also be working in companies. Especially in companies, you'll see that your brothers, sisters, or uncle, auntie, or your parents also must be working for companies. So they used to work in night time. Why they are working for night time, children? There it will become, here in India it will be night, whereas here it is night and abroad it will be daytime, right? Understand? Now it is daytime. In India it is daytime now. So abroad, other country, foreign country, it will become night. So this is the difference. Okay, how the sun shines and sun rays falls on the earth, the shadows you will see. Okay, if you were in the class, I would have explained you more nicely, but still I am trying to make you understand this. This is very important, children. You should know about this. Okay, while traveling also it is very important. Okay. Okay, children. Now it would create a lot of confusion to have two dates in one country. Yes, in one country, if the dates are two, it is very confusion. To avoid this, the international data line has been drawn in such a way that it does not cross any country. Okay, now I'll read the